Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys see my previous video, you know I'm doing the same style but breaking it down into a step-by-step format. This video is beginners friendly, so by the end of the video you will be able to achieve a rope twist. I will be using two different twist techniques, so let's get started. Before twisting, I will split into two equal sections and take a small section from the left side to wrap around the rubber band, as you see me doing the video, and then I will apply jam to each section before twisting. So I would take the right section and twist it to the right side, and the left section and twist it to the left side, and I would do that one twist, and then when you're done, eventually both of the twists should go the same way. That's just to secure that top little section up there by the rubber band. So right here, I'm twisting the left section, you guys, and then I will wrap the left section over the right to form the rope twist. You guys want to make sure you hold each strand in place while continuing to twist so nothing unravels. I will keep twirling using my index finger and my thumb to keep it in place. So once you reach the end of your rope twist, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm doing the same thing, but I'm just rolling my thumb over the hair to get that little twist. So I guess if you want to call it a roll twist. And this would be the finish, the final twist, the final look. In the previous video, I did use the rubber band method. So I will place the braiding hair in between the hair from the cap, pushing everything towards the cap, and then I will secure it with a rubber band until it's tight. As you continue to wrap the rubber band around the hair from the cap, you want to avoid getting any of the braiding hair stuck in between the rubber band. Right here, you just see me making sure that it's tight, and this will be the second technique that I use. And then right here, you see me split it into two equal sections. Take a small portion from the left side to wrap around the rubber band to make sure you don't see it. So as I wrap that hair around, because I'm using a different technique, make sure you put that left strand, the left strand you took from the left side over the rubber band, and put it under before you begin to twist. And of course, make sure you put jam on it before you start. So again, you guys, you see me twisting that left section, wrapping that left section over the right to form the rope twist. And I'm using my index finger every time I twist, putting it in between, and my thumb to hold the twist, making sure everything stays in place. So twisting, taking it and twisting it with my left hand, putting my index finger in between and holding it with my right thumb. And you're going to do that all the way down. Alright, you guys, same thing, but a closer look. So twisting the left side and wrapping the left side over the right side while twirling or twisting the hair. Okay, you guys, don't forget this is the second technique. So we just did that one twist, that one section. So now we're going to do the second section. So we're going to put jam on it, split the hair into two, and finish twisting. We're going to twist the same way. And then we're going to finish it by twisting both of the separate twists together. So once you get to the end and wrapping both twists, you're going to see which side is longer and unravel it so that you can add the other hair that was shorter into that twist so it become one twist. So this will be the two twist techniques that I use. Just a regular rope twist and then two rope twists in one. And that's how I achieve my twist on my wig. So you're going to push the crochet hook under the cap as you see me doing. And then you're going to place the braiding hair on the hook. When you're done, you're going to secure the braiding hair by closing the latch. Pull the crochet hook back through the cap slowly. Remove the braiding hair from the crochet hook. Open the loop that was made and pull one end through. And to finish it off, you guys will see me make a knot with this hair. So just make it as if you were tying a shoe. And you can repeat this process to fill in gaps on a frontal like I'm doing or a 360 wig. Just to cover up, cover up the tracks. So hopefully this was a more detailed video for you guys on how to do rope twists. Give you a better understanding of the two techniques I use and how to use a crochet hook when filling in gaps on a wig. Thanks for watching.